Hi, I will be answering the topic A problem in this video. The first question is that how would things change if the workers has to pay for all of the taxes? Here I will be using some information we learned in chapter 7, how taxes would influence the market. The short answer is that the number of workers will decrease, and I will illustrate this with a graph. We can view the workers as the sellers selling their labor and the employers as the buyers. And therefore, when all of the taxes are placed on the workers, their income will decrease. So this point shows the salary of the workers, and since they have to pay for all of the taxes, their income has decreased right over here. And we can tell that the supply curve has shifted up and to the left, and the number of workers will be decreased, is shown here. All right, so the second question asked what factor can influence how much of the tax burden workers or employers incur. To answer this question, I'll be using the concept of elasticity. When the workers are more elastic than the employers, more tax burden will fall onto the employers. This is because when it's easier for the workers to leave this market. For instance, if the employers really need these workers, but the workers can just go find some other job, then the workers are more elastic than the employers. And vice versa. If the employers are more elastic than the workers, more tax burden will be placed on the workers. For instance, if it's tough for workers to find other jobs, but employers can easily find some other people to replace them, then in this case, the employers will be more elastic than the workers. And lastly, would the number of workers with jobs change if the CPP taxes are eliminated? The answer is yes. The number of workers will increase. And this graph can also illustrate this. So when there's no tax, the market will reach equilibrium and is shown by this point. So this is the number of workers when there is a tax, and this is the number of workers when there's no tax, when the market is equilibrium. So we can see that the number of workers has increased, and there's more employment than when there is a tax.